happening?
I have two bags.
You're too bad.
Come on. Who wants to go? Come on, sister. I think we should go to sleep. I'm so tired. Okay. Ooh, I do want. Go upstairs. Let's use this.
Oh, let me see.
Let me go upstairs. Rihanna.
What color is that?
Blue, red.
Blue.
Let's put it in there. Aggie food.
What is that?
Aggie food and let's go. Well, green stripes and black stripes. Oh, that's the other
What color is that?
green. Oh, that's not her pillow. Yeah, take this out.
What color is that?
Yellow and job and brown. Let's put it in here.
Ooh, what is that?
Hammer.
What color is it?
Green, giant, I say brown skies. What's that? Yellow
A screw?
Here, yeah. I can. Yellow stripes and brown stripes. It's easy for me. Not the green stripes and blue for the one the red stripes and the brown stripes. Don't the stripes and the brown stripes and the brown. Their cap is going down.
What is this? Screwdriver?
Yeah. No, it has to stay up. And can't move. Okay. Because we turned everything in the house off.
What is it?
A water.
A ruler.
Yeah. It's the morning. Oh, I'm gonna go down. I'm gonna go down.
Those are the pieces of wood?
Yeah. I got here first. I'm gonna go next, okay? Okay, sister. And okay, I'm waiting for my turn. Okay, let me that one.
The hammer.
I think I'm done. Okay, and I'm over a break. You can take a break now if you want. Now, okay, that one. Oh, so that one.
No, you put it in here,
I think
and then you spin it.
Take it back because I love watching the world and putting stuff in the treasure chest, and you do it too. Then that one.
Okay.
I think I want to go see this city. So let me just. I'm taking. I will fly. Let's get a.